Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is January 23rd at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. I'm going to be doing the January 21st video I could not do on Friday. So it turned out that as if the sinusitis was not enough, I got COVID also at the same time. So I am diagnosed COVID positive since Thursday. But now things seem to be improving. I think my voice is back a little bit better than it was last Thursday. So anyway, I thought it would be important to do the Friday videos because the stock market is going crazy. I think that you guys need to see my analysis on this before Monday, because then we are going to be better prepared on Monday to see what are our options, no pun intended. So Tesla, we closed down to 943.90 on Friday. So that's down $52.37. And that's minus 5.26%. We closed a little bit below $1,000. This 1,000 was still in play. But then Friday, we have this big red candle that just went straight down, basically. During the day, we were a little bit over 1,000, but then pretty much went straight down. And if you look at this gray line here, so we seem to be using this first channel resistance right here as a support. So this resistance seems to be acting as support, and I have it right now at 935.37. So it is going to be very important to see if this holds on Monday. Let's go see the 1-hour chart. So on the 1-hour chart, we have a little bit more details. We also have on the 1-hour chart a support at 930. So if you are more a short-term trader, then you should take a look at the 930 right here. So maybe 930 is going to hold. It has been going down. It has been going down for a while, but we might be due for a little bit of a move up right here towards this big resistance. So this we need to see. In terms of indicators on the 1-hour chart, everything is really bad. And on the daily chart, let's look at it. So we have stochastic at 1. Can it be lower than this? Almost not. RSI at 39, so that's below 50, so that's bearish too. We have MACD crossed over bearish a couple of days ago. And we have one of the two lines that is below 0, and the DMI is also bearish. We are basically dropping with all of our indicators really down. So I am not looking personally at buying anything much. Maybe on the 1-hour chart, if I see a little bit of a move up on the 1-hour chart, maybe this is going to mean that we are going to be retesting this resistance here. So that's the only play I am thinking about. And I just can't wait to see what is going to happen on January 26th when Tesla is going to officially announce their profit and losses. I think it's going to be a lot of profits. This might have an impact. We should not diminish the fact that Tesla can go up like crazy. This is a very volatile stock. So I think I will prefer buying calls prior to the earnings than actually buying the stock, because of the environment that we are in with inflation and everything. Things are pretty crazy right now. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I will be doing the special request video. I'm late on this one. Hopefully I will get around to that this week. I'm going to wish you a great rest of the weekend. We are going to talk tomorrow. I should be okay tomorrow. And I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.